trunk, I open up, I sold my soul a good price. Out of sight, my hoe got talent.
Hi guys and welcome to Bantech Tips, and before we begin, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. We have received a package from Amazon today. This is the OnePlus 6 smartphone that I had ordered. This is the package which has the smartphone, so let's open it up. By the way, if you want to buy a OnePlus 6 or any other smartphone, I will leave a link in the video description. Here we have the big guy, the OnePlus 6. It is the mirror black color 128GB model. Let's see what all things do we get with this box. We need to open this. It has a basic cover for the smartphone, so let's put the cover on. This is the instructions, manual and the pin to open SIM tray. We have the USB Type-C charging cable, and the fast charging adapter with the phone. It is a little hard to take the adapter out, but not a big deal. So this is all we get with the phone. Now I will have to switch on the phone and set it up. Thank you so much for joining. Take care.